Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution, and today I'm presenting something new to you guys, and it's aiomatic API. So it will be a new service which will work together with aiomatic, and it can replace OpenAI's API, but it is optional, so you are not required to move to aiomatic API. This will be just an optional service which you can subscribe, and you can replace OpenAI's API with this new API that I created. And this is something that I want to develop in the future, so I will make even more richer content, and the content that it will be created by this new API will be with more YouTube videos, images, which currently OpenAI is not providing. So this API will be developed in the near future, so this is its purpose. So I will link in this video description to aiomatic API. Go ahead and check it. And if you have trouble signing up maybe to OpenAI, this aiomatic API is the right option for you, as the aiomatic plugin will work also with OpenAI and also with aiomatic API's GPT-3 APIs. So go ahead guys and check the latest version of the aiomatic plugin, as you will need to update the aiomatic plugin to the latest version for it to work with the new aiomatic API. So let me show you how this will work. If you sign up for an account in aiomatic API, you will be granted with this dashboard. After you go to the dashboard, you will click on the API key button here and simply click this pay API key, and you will get this API key. Don't bother using this key, as I will delete this account and key after I am done with this video. So afterwards, let's go to the plugin and simply add in the OpenAI aiomatic API key here, the key that we copied, and save settings. After this, we can use the plugin as usual. We can write a title. So for example, how to cook better tasting meals. And let's create a post. The front end of my site is empty, and let's create this titled post using now, because we entered the API key from aiomatic API and not from OpenAI, we will get the content created using aiomatic API's services. So after this finishes running, then you will get the result on our front page. So here it is, and as you can see, it is high quality, similar to OpenAI's services. And aiomatic API can create also text and also images for you. So it will have this node for text and this node for images. So if you want to build a tool on top of aiomatic API, it has also a nice documentation. You can do this also. So go ahead and check the link from this video's description. Aiomatic API will work together with aiomatic starting from now, and if you have more suggestions or ideas, let me know. The comment section is open for you guys. So this is all for today. I will leave this video as it is for now. Until next time, bye bye.